everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off location on Skout. To get started, let's open setting of your device. Here scroll down until you find Skout app. Here it is, tap on it and here click on location. And now if you don't want to allow location access, then click on never. If you want to allow location access always, then click on always. And if you want to turn off your location, then tap on it. So here you go, you have successfully turned off location on Skout. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.